In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse and open folders and files with Google Chrome. This can be a really efficient way to navigate your file system using a browser you likely use every day. So, let's dive into it. To start, open Google Chrome on your computer. You should be familiar with using the browser, but if Chrome isn't your default browser, you might need to find it in your applications or open it directly from your desktop or taskbar. Once you have Chrome open, you'll need to go to the address bar, which is typically at the top of the browser. This is where you usually type in website URLs, but today we'll use it a bit differently. Go ahead and type in this command, file/c. Let's break this down for a moment. The file/a part is a URL scheme for accessing files directly, while c// represents the root directory of your C drive, the main storage drive for many Windows computers. After typing the command, hit Enter on your keyboard. Chrome will now display the contents of your C drive. What you'll see is a straightforward File Explorer window, but in your browser. This view will display all the folders and files stored in your selected drive. It's a simple but very effective way to browse your files without opening another program. If you double-click on any folder, the browser will navigate into it, showing you its contents just like a regular File Explorer. Keep in mind that this method allows you to view and open files that your browser can natively handle, such as images and text files. If you try to open a file that Chrome doesn't support directly, it'll likely download it instead. An interesting thing about using Chrome this way is how organized it can help you feel. Since you're likely already using Chrome for web browsing, switching to file browsing using the same tool can be seamless and time-saving. Just remember, though, that what you can do once the file opens depends on its type and what plugins or extensions you have installed. Additionally, this method of browsing is generally read-only, meaning you can't modify or delete files directly through the browser. If you need to do more complex operations, you'll still need to use your operating system's default file manager. However, for a quick peek or to open files supported by the browser, this is a fantastic trick to have up your sleeve. And there you have it. You're now equipped with a new, efficient way of navigating your files directly through Chrome. I hope you found this guide useful and easy to follow. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this one. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.